struggling with health issues and need extra income, here it is. By the way, I'm Sunshine and I'm from the Philippines. I have to share something with you. Yes, you moms at home. I know what it's like to feel stuck. I have lupus and 9 to 5 job is no longer an option for me. I wanted to help with my family expenses but I didn't know how. The stress, the frustration, it felt like I had no way out. But then, I found a way to earn from home on my own time without risking my health. No long hours, no exhausting commutes. Just a real way to make extra income while still taking care of my family. If you've ever felt helpless, I want you to know there is hope. You don't have to stay stuck. There are real opportunities for you, even from home. Want to know how? Check the link on my bio or DM me for more information. You're not alone in this. Have an awesome day, everyone.